Hey everyone, how's it going? So I was talking with a few friends this morning about how it's easy to fix your trades and your results in different platforms, and it was pretty interesting to me that the only few of them knew something like this happens. And I thought let's make a video, share these with you so we can be aware of them. I'm gonna start with the basic tricks that scammers use. It's paint and inspect elements, and I'm not even kidding. Let's bring Metatrader. Here I'm gonna take a picture from this section that shows my daily profit. Okay, here. How was it hard to achieve that? Yeah, something like this is a basic trick that they use, and it's very flexible. I can do different things with this. Now let's bring up a web page. Okay, here I have a page of my Myfxbook account. For using inspect element, you just turn this 7% to 100% in a matter of a second, and then they just take a picture of this, and then they show you this. It only took 1 second for us to fake this. Now the second platform we are going to talk about is MT4 Metatrader. Let's bring that up. This is a new demo account that I created. Let's bring this 3 position to the chart. Okay, so you see people post pictures of things like this, but how hard is it to fake this? I'm going to click on the arrow. I'm moving it here. I move the line. I move the close price. How was it hard? It only took us 5 seconds. Or I can just copy this like this. I copy it to here. I copy this line as well. And the close price. You see these people every day post a chart like this, and they say, oh, I cashed the bottom, I longed the bottom, I bought the bottom, and I sold the top. You didn't do that. I don't know, man, how people fell for this shit. These were for a close trade. Now let's take some open trades. I'm just gonna maintain that here. Okay, limit order here, limit order here, limit order here, limit order here. Now, I'm just gonna take a picture. Okay, this is a picture. I'm opening with paint, and let's see how we can fake this. You see this? Was it hard? It only took us less than 10 seconds for all of these 4 positions. Okay, we are done with MT4 and of course Tradingview. Let's go to Tradingview. You see all the time people post pictures of before and after their trades, but are they really legit? I don't know, but this can be easily faked. How? There is a reply function on Tradingview. We are here. You see, we already saw what happened here. This big crash. Now I'm going back here. I was just going to take a picture. I know it failed from here, so I'm gonna just put this tool here, my entry here, stop loss let's say here, and taking profit is here. Take a picture, and let it play. Wow, magic. And again, take a picture of this, and then after these trades already happened, they post this kind of trades on Twitter and say this was before and this was after. What a yeah, it was as easy as that. Nothing really hard to do. Another platform is Myfxbook. Let's see. Myfxbook. Let me refresh this page. Okay, this says my icon is real and the currency is dollar, but there is a settings section for this account, and it has a section called account type. I put a real here. Now I'm gonna change it to demo. Let's see what will happen. And yeah, it just easily shows this demo. Now let me okay, it's demo. Now I'm gonna change it to real again. Save here and refresh. Real. No shit. How long did it take for us to just fake that? And the last one is strategy tester results. Metatrader has a feature called strategy tester and a feature called detailed report. But how they fake this kind of a strategy tester? In algorithmic trading, we have something called optimization. Let's say, for example, I run moving averages for a specific period, and I let it to optimize that indicator and that moving average, and tell me what parameters gives me the best return. And for example, it says 10 and 100 moving averages generate the best results, and then I make an indicator with those parameters and then give it to the strategy tester, and here we are, a nice looking equity curve, always up, no down. There is also a thing called server manager. It's a scam server, it's a fake server on MT4. You can buy a server manager, then you can easily create a server, and you can just put trades for any date you want, and it can easily be like a legit fund. There is a lot of threads and posts on forums about this that if you want you can just look at them. If you want to know if someone is a good trader or not, see their live trading and their trade management. See how they feel before they take a trade, during they managing the trade, and after they close the trade. Or for example, someone that posts a picture, posts a trade idea before it happens, not after it happens. They can be easily faked, but when someone posts a picture before it happened, I think it's a good and legit way to find out if someone is good or not. And yeah, that's it. Don't believe everything you see. Yeah, that's all. Have a good weekend and take care.